What are Clickbank hops? Affiliate Link Analytics 101, helping beginners to succeed. Hi there, I'm Victor. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up. Also, if you have questions, write them down in the comment section below and I'll respond to them. Please subscribe to my channel. So I want to talk about what are Clickbank hops. And I want to talk a little bit about Affiliate Link Analytics 101 and helping beginners to succeed using them and everything. So what is Clickbank and all of that? Well, if you're here, you probably already know what Clickbank is. It's kind of like a marketplace where vendors, people, companies, create products, and they come to this place called Clickbank, and they have something called a marketplace where you can look through all kinds of stuff. And if you want to be an affiliate for it, you can promote stuff. And when you go to do that, you find something called links. But they're also known as hoplinks or hops. So basically a Clickbank hop is when someone clicks on an affiliate link and hops over to an affiliate or a vendor's product page basically, and goes to try and buy something. Well, Clickbank keeps track of who the affiliate was, who the marketer was that got the person to go look at the product, and it also keeps track of what the product is, all kinds of stuff. It's really cool stuff. And so let's go ahead and take a look at all of this. And first, we'll just go on over to Clickbank. So when you go into Clickbank and you sign in, one of the things that you can do is you can go to somewhere called a marketplace, and you can click right here. It'll take you to the marketplace. And in the marketplace, you can search for all kinds of products and everything. And I went ahead and did a search here for 𝐼𝐴M Checklist. It's a product that I know about. They make checklists for people for online business and all kinds of stuff, just for all kinds of uses and stuff. It's kind of neat. Anyway, you could do this for any of the products on Clickbank. What's nice about it, I think, is if you want to do affiliate marketing, there's a lot of places out there that kind of lock you in and they try and make you like, oh, will you please let me sell your and promote your stuff and everything? Well, Clickbank, once you create an account and go through that process and everything, most of the time you click promote and it's instantly going to create that link for you already. So, and maybe I'll make a video more detailed about, what are you going to do when you're going to promote something? What are things to look for and everything? So we're talking about hops. So you click on promote on a product that you want to promote. And what happens is it takes you to this page that is in Clickbank, right? Called a hop link generator. And you type in your name here, right? So in this case, now it's called a Clickbank nickname, all right? And so the Clickbank nickname I want to use, right? And then there's something called a tracking ID, which is also known as a TID, like the letter T, ID. And I'm going to show you what this is good for in a moment. Basically, you can type in whatever you want here. So I could type in like test 001 or here, test. I'm just going to type in testing here. Okay. And now this vendor has a lot of different products here I could select. Most of the time it's only going to be one item there that shows up. There's a button to generate the link. And so I click the button and it generates this hop link. And you notice the TID, testing, is right here at the end with that slash and the question mark and everything. And I can copy that, and that's actually a live affiliate link for this 𝐼𝐴M checklist stuff. And so what's the big deal about a hop link and everything? Well, ultimately, it's a way that I can do a bunch of different things. And what I want to encourage here for you is to use hoplinks and use them with TIDs, with the tracking information. And I'll show you why. So here we have some hoplinks, okay? So here's one. If you take off, if you remove the slash and the question mark and the TID, it's still a link, an affiliate link. The TID is tracking information. So let's pretend that you were going to put an affiliate link in a bunch of different places on the internet. Maybe one's on a web page, maybe you're going to do an advertisement on Facebook, or what if you had a really long sales page and you had more than one button on the page? You could actually use a TID for each of those buttons. Maybe the TID on the top says button 1 and then button 2 and then button 3, and maybe it says, you know, FB for Facebook, button 1, Facebook, button 2. You see what I'm saying? You can put pretty much what you want, and then how it works and everything is actually really neat, and I'm going to show you that. So first I'm going to click on an affiliate link with no tracking identifier, okay? And this is all just using Clickbank, by the way. This is not Facebook pixels or Google pixels or any of that other stuff. This is really simple and very, very useful. So if I click on that link, it's going to take me to a sales page. And if I click here, this is how you can find out. This is how you can test your links. When you click on the action, the call to action button to make a purchase or whatever, go all the way down to the bottom of the page and look way down here. And this is my affiliate nickname that I'm using for this test and everything. So let's watch this again. Now notice this says, this is just my nickname, okay? So watch this. Here's one that says my test with 3 zeros, right? So I click that. It takes me to a page. Now this time, watch what happens. Look down here. There's my nickname, but also my test 000. So what do you think is going to happen if I go to this one? And I click here. What should we expect to see, right? 001. There it is. How cool is that? And like right here, I could actually change this live, right? Let's see what it does. Let's do that, okay? And I click the button. What do we expect to see on this page, right? At the very bottom. And there it is. Look, just to test. So what does this all do? How does it work? Well, in Clickbank, after people have been clicking on those links and everything on your pages and your advertising and everything, you want to go and check on how things are going. And what you can do is go to your nickname, go to your affiliate account, go to reporting. Down here we have products and everything where people have been clicking on links and stuff. And remember the tracking ID stuff? Well, if I click by tracking ID, look, hops. So this is showing me hops and different kinds of places and all kinds of information. There's just so much you can do, but I'm kind of showing you the tip of the iceberg here, but what I'm showing you is super powerful. You can really use this. So click on track by tracking ID. And now look, remember what I was clicking on earlier? My test 001, 000. Look, just to test. It's all right there. And so if I had a bunch of different web pages, or if I was doing advertising in different places or different blogs or whatever, or even the links I use on these videos in the description, I got a lot of information in the description of this video. Matter of fact, Clickbank has a great informational page about hoplinks and everything, as well as tracking IDs and how to use them and a bunch of stuff. And I included a link for this page in the description also. And I also have some other affiliate type stuff, but just practically speaking everything, I just wanted to show you what hops are about and maybe how you can use them to your advantage. And you can do analytics and all kinds of stuff with what I just showed you, and it's all free. You don't got to go pay some special website to do it for you or anything like that. Anyway, if you have any questions about this or want to know more about a particular kind of a thing about it, let me know in the description and maybe I can help you there. Anyway, I hope that this video has helped you. I'm going to keep it short and leave it at that. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll be making some more videos soon, hopefully.